Your skin looking dull, tired and lifeless, no matter what product you use, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a dull skin and get your glow back using these simple skincare tips that actually work. So, if you want a brighter, healthier, glowing skin, keep watching. You're welcome back. If you're new on this channel, you're highly welcome. Over here is all about skincare, beauty and lifestyle tips that helps you look your best. So if that sounds like something you'd love, please kindly subscribe to my channel and always turn on your notification bell to know when next I upload a video. So let's dive right into today's video, which is how to fix a dull skin and get your glow back. The first step to fixing a dull skin is by exfoliation. And by exfoliating, I mean removing those dead skin buildup on the surface of your skin that makes your skin look dull, dry, and rough. And you can do that by using a gentle body scrub like this Q Spa salt bath that is here. I'm using this one because I'm showing you guys this one because this is actually the one I use. So you can use this as your body scrub, and also you can also use some chemical exfoliants like the BHAs and the AHAs. Those ones are the chemical exfoliants. You can use them also to exfoliate your skin. And if you want to exfoliate your skin, just kindly do it like 2 to 3 times in a week. Don't over exfoliate your skin, otherwise that one another is another problem on its own. So when you over exfoliate your skin, it tends to irritate your skin also. So just try to do it like 2 times in a week is okay. And the good thing here is you notice that once you exfoliate your skin regularly, your skin starts looking smooth and bright. The next step to fixing a dull skin is by hydrating your skin. You see, when a skin is dry, or rather when a skin lacks moisture, it tends to look dry and dull, sometimes even rough. You guys notice, whenever we are in the Harmattan, season, it always irritates our skin. Like, everything, everywhere starts looking dry. That's when we kind of like add more oils. We try to hydrate and moisturize our skin on a daily basis. So once your skin lacks moisture, definitely you will have a dull skin, you will have a dry skin. So number 1 step there is to drink enough water. Drink plenty water. You add a hydrating moisturizer in your skincare routine. Also, don't forget to include a hydrating serum in your routine like the hyaluronic acid, and you will notice that a hydrated skin always looks radiant and more plumper. The next tip is the use of a brightening skincare product. If you want to achieve a glowing, brighter skin, my dear, you need to look out for products that has brightening ingredients. You really need to incorporate them into your skincare routine. When I mean brightening ingredients, I mean ingredients like vitamin C, you have niacinamide, we also have alpha-arbutin. You see, you have to add these ingredients in your skincare routine. You will notice that on the long run, these ingredients will brighten your skin. It will even out your skin tone and also your overall skin radiance. Everything just pop. Your skin will start popping. Just try it and watch the magic. And the next tip to fixing a dull skin is also the biggest mistake people make, and that is not using a sunscreen. We all know that the sun is one of the major causes of a dull skin, dark spots and uneven skin tone. So when we use sunscreen every single day, we tend to protect our skin from the sun rays, the ultraviolet rays. And also, when you use your sunscreen regularly, you tend to notice your skin looking more brighter and you end up achieving a youthful skin, that youthful glow. You end up, achieving it. And secondly, we all know that when we sleep, the skin repairs itself. So when you don't get enough sleep, you keep staying awake because of one thing or the other. I may not know how your schedule is. All I'm trying to say is just try to get enough sleep. Just try to have like 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Otherwise, when you don't have enough sleep, it tends to show on your skin. You wake up the next morning looking dull, looking tired. So all I'm saying is just try to get enough sleep, like 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. That also helps to brighten up your skin and also giving you that radiant glow. And finally, a healthy skin doesn't just come from what we eat. No, you have to make sure you eat healthy, because at the end of the day, we are what we eat. You have to eat enough fruits and vegetables. You have to hydrate your skin. You have to manage stress, because stress alone can drain you. You just wake up one morning and notice that the glow is gone. You understand? So just work on your stress, and also try to maintain a good proper hygiene, a good proper clean hygiene, because you can't be staying in a very dirty environment and you're just using skincare products. No, just try and maintain a clean proper hygiene and watch the magic. You just start glowing, and people will keep asking you. You guys should remember me. So these are my tips on how to fix a dull skin and get your glow back. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video. And also you can leave a comment in the comment section on if there's any skin issue you would want me to talk about. Kindly leave a comment there and I'll gladly do that. So this is me calling it a day. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.